a serious time we living in, you know. Very serious. That they ask them leaders, yeah, you know, why so much destruction? Eh? I wonder if you will disobey the law. Eh? If you wonder, we start to worship on some day where Jah they provide, they bless for us to worship on. So I wonder if them the things that cause so much disaster and destruction. You have to wonder, you have to think. So catch that one here. Some questions, you know? Question kill out the girls. Oh no, when it's not chicken polio. Yes, I eat polio. And it's not gonorrhea. I eat, I mash up my people dance. So la 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 la. Yes, me a be crying. La 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 la. Rasta be ticket to la 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 la. Trust you cannot trust. How's it trust for me like some pussy in a burger? Oh Lord, that you come and poor people money them see. Poor man dead and don't left no will. Only thing we find out, them go buy hotel room and so. La 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 la. Yeah man, Rastafari, over the devil.